Introducing the 2016 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.